Now we'll proceed to the third. The ramp signal is a type of standard signal which starts at t is equals to 0 and increases linearly with time. The unit ramp function has unit step. So this is the expected graph. So this equation, expected graph of the ramp, the properties. So continuous function is that function will start at t is equal to 0 and increases linear with time. It is denoted by ramp of t. It is defined if t is greater than or equal to 0 and when t is less than to 0. Signal magnitude varies linearly. So the discrete time is that function. It starts from n is equals to 0 and it increases linearly. It is denoted by r, ramp of n. The signals whose amplitude varies linearly with time n. It is defined as if n is greater than or equal to 0 and when n is less than to 0. So these are the given condition. So sa A and B, muna sadya ang atong i-evaluate. So, condition A, ramp of n is equals to n is greater than or equal to 0. And when 0, n is less than to 0. Where n is less than or equal to negative 10 and n is less than or equal to positive 10. The same for the continuous time. So we will proceed to the codes ramp signals. So this is the condition A. This is the discrete figure 1 and continuous figure 2. This is the graph result. This is the discrete and this is the continuous. So we will now proceed to the condition B. Ramp of n is equals to 2 and n is greater than or equal to 0. And when 0, n is equals to n is less than to 0. Where n negative 5 less than or equal to n and 5 n is less than or equal to 5. So the same function of continuous time. So we will now proceed to the codes to evaluate. So we will now evaluate the B condition. This is the discrete figure 1. And for the figure 2, it's the continuous graph result. The discrete and continuous graph result for the B condition. Now proceed to C condition. So C ramp of n is equals to n over 2. N is greater than or equal to 0 and when 0 n is less than to 0 where Negative 8 is less than or equal to n, and n is less than or equal to 8. The same function of continuous time. So we will now evaluate the code for the C condition. This is the discrete, and this is for the continuous graph result. Figure 1 is the discrete and figure 2 is the continuous graph result for the ramp signals. And that's all for today's for this video.